Are you your biggest business bottleneck? What got you to where you are now is not going to get you to where you want to go next year and the year after if you want any growth. And I'm going to share with you 5 things that you need to get in place. First of all, are you thinking right? Or are you holding on to things that worked before and you're familiar with them, right? But you don't want to let them go. Second, cash. You need to invest in your business. The best way to invest in your business is to invest in you. Find someone you can relate with, someone you can resonate with, someone you can trust, someone who's been where you want to get to, right? And can show you how to do it in a practical, easy to understand way. Thirdly, delegate. You need to do that. It took me years before I took on my first VA. You can't do it all on your own. You need to make sure that you're not trying to do everything, because if you're trying to do everything, you're not going to get anywhere. Number 4, you need to have a process or a system. And I mean system for basic things. 1, a system for getting leads for your business. A system for taking those leads and turning some of those leads, a percentage of them, into customers. And then a system of nurturing those customers so they become advocates for you and send referrals to you. You need to know what it's costing you to get a lead. You need to know the cost per customer, the cost of acquiring a new customer. And you need to know the average customer value and even their lifetime value. If you don't have that data, right, then you're flying blind. You're flying blind and you will be a business bottleneck because you're not prepared to really put things in place to grow your business. You're just doing a lot of hopeful, wishful thinking. That's what you're doing.